So right about now, we're bringing you a report, and this one is the 2024 Tax Symposium by the Chartered Institute of Taxation, Kubwa Division. Pius put this together, and this is what happened at that event.
Tax is an essential aspect of Nigeria's economy and fuels the drive for economic growth and a sustainable society. The need to share ideas and chart the way forward form the crux of discussion at the 2024 Tax Symposium organized by the Chartered Institute of Taxation of Nigeria, Kubwa, and District Society, Abuja.
The members and the ESCO, thought it wise to start our activities with a tax symposium, where we have beautifully selected topics that we believe will be quite interesting, for every participant.
The event, themed Promoting a Sustainable Tax Future Beyond Compliance, gave room to stakeholders in the field of taxation to share knowledge on issues bordering on trust, tax morale, fraud, and tax evasion to set the tone for what is to come.
Tax fraud is, when you deliberately, give false information to relevant tax authorities in order to evade your tax. Whereas tax evasion, on the other hand, is when you are trying to evade, when you are evading taxes, illegally, either via, offshore account, opening of offshore account in order to conceal, your total earned income.
Citizens pay their tax, while government also pay their role by providing basic infrastructure using the taxes paid by the government. So where government fails in paying their tax, so the issue of trust will now be, will now be eroded. So there's a link between trust and tax morale. So if trust is enhanced, tax morale is increased.
Taking the event a notch higher was the panel discussion detailing how floating exchange rate and petrol subsidy removal impact on tax revenue generation in Nigeria. Special award of recognition was given to personalities who have distinguished themselves with their contributions to the sector as leaders of the institute, explained why such a symposium was organized at a time like this.
A lot is going on in the country, so we felt that this is the right time to discuss the effect of some of the policies that the government of the country, has implemented in the last few months. Specifically talking about petrol subsidy removal and floating the exchange rate in Nigeria, and looking at these policies with regards to their impact on tax revenue generation.
As tax professionals, we from time to time talk to ourselves, look at the contemporary issues within the system, and make sure that we sensitize and educate our members so that we can do the needful. The only place we have to call our country is Nigeria, and we must do everything to make Nigeria to move forward.
If you look at the theme of this our event, we're saying, how do we promote a sustainable tax future beyond compliance in Nigeria? And that's why we look at all these topics, look at issue of building trust and all that. We look at the issue of tax fraud risk and all that. And the whole aim is to see ways or recommend ways of promoting a tax future that is sustainable in Nigeria.
With just a small percentage of citizens fulfilling their civic responsibility of paying their tax religiously, it is hoped that a positive attitude towards tax payments will be achieved with a symposium like this because it pays to pay your tax.
Thank you so much, Pius, and congratulations to all the award recipients at that event.